What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and I haven't talked about the iPhone SE2 in a while, so I wanted to update you on what's happening with the project, if it's still happening, why it didn't come out in May or June at WWDC as we were expecting, because there's a lot of questions floating around. I've seen a lot of you ask, like, what happened to the iPhone SE2? I wanted to buy that phone. It looked really good, and I'm in the same boat as you. I've been wondering what happened to all the news. We were on the super hard and crazy iPhone SE2 hype train for a while, and then it just kind of stopped. So really briefly, I just want to catch everybody up on the iPhone SE2. Back in April, we saw a leaked document from the Eurasian Economic Commission, the EEC, that showed Apple had applied to market around 11 new products, or highly likely 11 new iPhone models. And generally, whenever these documents leaked, new products were released in a couple of weeks after. This happened with the cheaper iPad this year. This happened with new iPads and MacBooks at WWDC last year. Console Mac had a great track record. Anytime one of these documents leaked, we saw new products. But this year, that didn't happen. April came, we saw this. WWDC was just around the corner. I thought new iPhones would be coming then. WWDC came, and we didn't get any new hardware. Now, in between that time, that's when we saw the big iPhone SE2 leak from Olixar. They had these schematics leak. They showed us this case they were working on. They showed us this screen protector of this smaller 4 to 5 inch iPhone that was like an iPhone SE2, but had the iPhone X style design. I was really excited about it. A lot of sources were like, okay, maybe this is actually happening now. We saw these schematics, we saw these photos, and all the hype for the iPhone SE2 went from this is probably or maybe happening to this is almost definitely or certainly happening. A little bit after that, but still before June 4th, when WWDC happened, when many people thought the new iPhone SE2 could be coming, we saw a report from Zakar that said actually the iPhone SE2 isn't launching in this half of the year. It's coming in the second half of 2018, probably alongside the 3 other models, the iPhone X Plus, the second generation iPhone X, and the more budget 6-inch or 6.1-inch LCD iPhone. But once again, nobody really knows, and ever since that report has come out, it's been pretty much radio silence for the iPhone SE2. We haven't been hearing anything. That's why no one's really been reporting on it until just recently. There's a new article from Forbes that came out that now says the iPhone SE2 has been scrapped and canceled and it's not coming out. The real meat of this story is the fact that now Olixar, who said the iPhone SE2 was coming, they released these schematics, they give us these great images of what was purportedly the iPhone SE2. Olixar now claims that this phone is not coming, that Apple will not be releasing an iPhone SE2 in 2018. I still feel like more sources have reported that this phone is going to happen than sources that have said this phone is not going to happen. But still, what does that mean now that we have a new report saying that the project has been canceled in its entirety? I don't know. What I do know, what I can report, is that every source talking about 2018 iPhones is saying, even in this exact same Forbes article, that there are going to be 3 new models. Without question, the phones you can rely on Apple releasing this year are the 6 to 6.1 inch LCD iPhone, the second generation iPhone X with a 5.8 inch OLED display, and the gigantic 6.5 inch OLED iPhone X Plus. Those are the 3 phones that are coming. If Apple releases anything else at this point, I think it's just going to be a nice surprise and a bonus. But at this point, probably start looking at one of those phones, start keeping up with rumors on that, because I'm not entirely sure after this latest report that the iPhone SE2 will be coming, at least in 2018 after all. So of course, I'll keep you updated on the iPhone SE2 in the future. I'm reporting on this because I think it has some merit. It's not coming from Forbes themselves, it's coming from Olixar, who has a better track record than other case manufacturers and screen protector manufacturers. They leaked stuff for the iPhone X last summer. So they've got some sources that could be good. Maybe the iPhone SE2 stuff just wasn't valid all along. Maybe it was a joke. Maybe it got blown out of proportion. Maybe it's still happening. I'm going to wrap up the video there. That's everything I know about the iPhone SE2 right now. If you enjoyed the video, if it helps you out, if you learned something new or enjoyed it, drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, of course, hit that subscribe button down below. If you do want to go that extra mile and help support the channel, that would be incredible. I'd really appreciate it. You can head over to shop.iupdateos.com to buy a t-shirt like the one I'm wearing right now. For now, I have been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.